What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel Thrift-Onfire. Today's going to be a what sold video, what sold for me recently on eBay. I also have a bit of a haul to show you. I'm filming this backwards. The clips you're about to see of me pulling were first thing in the morning. I had now since have went to Stallion Express, dropped off all my stuff, and then met up with a Goodwill bins buddy. I picked up a bunch of stuff right here you see on the floor, all jerseys. I paid $250 for the lot. I really only looked through a handful of them and said, what do you want just for everything? I've bought lots from this guy. He said, what about $250? I'm like, yeah, that's totally fine. There's some that are probably not the best ever, and then there's some really great ones that he's had at his booth, I think. Maybe brought to a couple live events, had for a while. Knows that we both know they're going to sell well online. That wasn't the issue. He just didn't have a really good way to sell some of this stuff. So, it wound up that I'm going to get all this stuff. So we're going to post some orders, and then at the end of the video, I will show you everything I picked up here for $250. Kicking it off today with an eBay sale, and it is this jersey, St. Louis Blues jersey. This one, I believe, yeah, once again, one from my booth. I do have another one that I'm going to relist right away as well. The vinyl front. Youth XL, large XL, came from the sports store in Niagara Falls that I've got all these youth fanatic jerseys from anyway, and a few adult ones as well. On this one, we did get 39, I didn't write it down, did I? $39.95, which was, I'm pretty sure, what my full price, so that was USD on this one. Not too bad at all. Next, an Xbox One controller, supposed to be in the video game bin. I'm surprised I still have this. I think I picked this up at the end of garage sale season last year, so I've had it long enough, for sure. It is this, do I have a package together? I think I might. It is this day one Xbox One controller with a brand new headset. Okay, this is still listed on ebay.ca. Apparently, I didn't realize that some of this stuff might have been. But yeah, $40 Canadian for the set here. Not bad, really. I don't remember what I paid exactly for those. I could go back and watch the video, I suppose, but I'm thinking around $5. Could be wrong on that, but that's my guesstimate for this morning. Lewis Robert rookie card, $32 USD. I think this guy's a White Sox. This should be in here. He's right there. It's an auto rookie, 32 USD on him. Then we have a couple Centennial cards going out here. Gary Lehman, $12.82, and Kyle Wellworth, or is it Woodworth or Wellworth, I guess, $10.25 USD, also right here. Both from the Centennial set, both autographs. Kyle right there, Wellwood, and Gary Lehman right there. All right, let's get this first round of eBay orders out of here. Moving on over to Poshmark.ca, and we're gonna go to the LPS bin here. Okay, getting a little heavy actually. Looks like we're after a pair of LL Bean, very thin, like a linen type pants. I think I picked these up. I could find them. The Goodwill bins. Must be way down here. Like way down here. And it's gonna pull up what I think it is. No, it's a pair of shorts. Just looking for the right color here. It's a very light color. Oh, maybe right there. Yeah, a very similar color. You can see these are just a very, very thin pair of pants. I'm sure there's a proper name for them. I just can't think of the second. Okay, LL Beam, size 18. Yeah, $20 Canadian for those. I was surprised they weren't worth a little bit more. I know I'm going back in this bin, so I'm just going to leave it on out here. But next we sold a couple hats, and here are the hats that I'm just currently listing from that $110 buy. I have duplicates of some of the ones that sold. Let's just drag this out here for a minute. We sold a couple really good ones. I took an offer on both of them. They're actually both going to the same person as well. Right here, $20 Canadian for this one. I had it listed higher. I have another one to relist, but because the same person bought two, I did give them a pretty good deal. This one, $75 Canadian. I have another one to list exactly like this, so I'm going to relist them both. I also have another one two that are orange with the same patch on them. Okay, so that's pretty good. Those all three were on Poshmark.ca. We did sell a pair of shorts on Poshmark.com. That's why I left this out. Don't know exactly how far down they are going to be, but they're a pair of American Eagle kind of distressed shorts. Spin this around here a bit. Maybe I have to set you guys down while I dig around in this. I don't want to make too much of a mess. I might actually just pull out some stuff. But yeah, a pair of distressed American Eagle shorts. Put more stuff in here again recently, so you know, take a minute to find it. Okay, I will double check that this is correct. I think it's these ones with the button fly. If not, I will grab the right ones, but I believe it's these ones. Yeah, because these are American Eagle as well. I think it's these ones. It's one of these two pair. Anyway, I'll make sure I get the right one out of here. But yeah, happy with the sale. Let's get this stuff out the door. All right, here we go. Kicking it off with this little kid's Raptors jersey. Probably wind up in my booth. Then what do we got next? Looks like, yeah, a Buffalo jersey. Very nice one, size medium. Trying to go through these as quick as possible. Panthers jersey needs a cleanup for sure, but still a cool jersey. Buffalo Sabres jersey, older one. We'll have to look at the condition of some of these as well. This is a starter Olympics jacket. Very cool. There's a little stain on the front that I may try to get out. See, we got a Maple Leafs jersey here. Oh, Belfour. Not a great size, it's small, but still a cool jersey. Sorry if this bag is slightly in the way. Just trying to show you as quick as possible. Okay, Cunningham jersey. Very neat. Blue Jays jacket here. This is just a licensed jacket here, okay? Button up. Don't know how well I can show you. Not Nike or anything, just that G 3 eyes, whatever that is, jackets. If that fit me, I would just keep it, but we'll see. Oh yeah, not too many of these are around. This is a Nike jersey, okay, size XXL. Toronto Maple Leafs, number 21, I think that was on the back. Another satin USA jacket, Olympics jacket there. I think this is a Merino jersey on a Rollins. Doesn't actually say that on the back, but I think is that his number? Yeah, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, on the Rollins tag there. Yeah, Van Fleet Raptors. I don't know that that's authentic. We'll figure all that out. There's enough stuff here that I think I'll do fine. This looks really old. It is really old. Old Penguins jersey. Maybe as old as that Johnny Bench that we just sold a couple videos back. Another really old jersey. Weird material. It's got some stains on it. You can see this is not in good condition, but Hartford Whalers. Cool, for sure. Who we got here? Green jersey. Okay. Bag one. Still got a few more things in this second bag. A good amount of stuff. Condition is a little bit iffy on some of this stuff. I should know who that is. Real opinion. I want to say it's like, I don't know. I can't think who that is in a second, but regardless. What is this one? Does it say OHL? I don't know what that says. I think it's an OHL jersey. Anyway, some of those can be really good. But I don't think I'm going to do bad with what I paid, for sure. Matthews jersey here. Little kids, obviously. Another Leafs jersey. Probably get those listed. The Leafs ones or hockey ones right away because the playoffs, right? What do we got here? Because I didn't even go through a lot of this stuff. And Nike, it's got some stains right there in the chest. I just sold a Nike jersey like that, I believe. But a red one. Team Canada. Oh, this still has his tag from his booth. Ravens, Flyers. A couple more in here. So again, the kids, Lions jersey. Probably, a couple Disney shirts. I'm sure he threw these in just for me. Honestly, what size is this? Medium, unfortunately. Otherwise, you know, I'd keep that. That's cool. That's a really neat one. Last one here. What size are you? XL. This one could be mine if I desired it. It could fit me, maybe. Yeah, pretty good. 250 bucks. Worth it. Once again, probably not going to throw up comps for any of this stuff. Just showing you what I picked up. I think I'm going to do absolutely fine. Some of these ones, like I said, do have some condition issues, might need to be cleaned up, might need to be sold as is. But regardless, $250, I think that's a pretty awesome deal. Anyways, we're probably going to end this one right here. If you guys like videos like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.